What I am saying today, mother language, they are promoting mother tongue. Earlier, in Andhra Pradesh, earlier government promoted English. They made a policy English alone can give livelihood. We told very clearly, language is only a means of communication. Knowledge will give with mother tongue. Indians, they are all aware, all of you are seeing, rural background, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, or some other languages, they are shining globally extremely well. What is the reason? Even CEO of Google, CEO of Microsoft, you name any company for that matter. Knowledge is different, language is different. Now I am going to promote 10 languages. Every university, 5 to 10 languages, international languages, you study and go and work there. They need your services. Not only 3 languages, multi-languages.